guys, it's me Issaplease and welcome to Bayhana, Senor, here in Cebu City where I live. Every January we celebrate the biggest, grandest festival here in the Philippines and I wanted to take you along with me. This is the busiest week in the entire year for me and I wanted to show you my Sinulog experience. So come on guys, let's go. Alright guys, so today is a Friday and yesterday I lost my voice partying it up with Cebu and Manila influencers. This year, I'm finally getting to do a mall show for the very first time. I'm so excited. I'm so psyched. I think this is gonna be my best Sinulog yet. I really wanted to show you guys this really cute choker necklace thing that I got last night at Lilila Primitive Art. And I love it so much. It's so detailed. I'm gonna cut scenes right about now. So guys, we are currently on our way to City de Mare for Baladahay and we have been stuck in traffic for the last 3 hours, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I hope it's gonna be worth it. There's gonna be food. Fit Senor! Hey! Fit Senor! Hey! Fit Senor! Whoa!
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I am currently at the Phoenix right here at Baladahay. I'm so excited guys, I'm finally here! Hydrate! Oh my god guys, last night was so much fun, but today's another day and we are currently here at Ayala Central Block, Cebu because me, Sarah, Alab, and Randolph are going to be performing for Mang, Inasal. I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys a little bit back and show you the behind the scenes of how we got ready for today. So hope you guys enjoy.
Got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
So perfect ba?
Gisi akong pants. So, nipalit ko og sewing kit and manahit ko diri sa akong pantalon.
Let you go. Don't wanna wake up.
Love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smart. Yes, sir. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her. Yeah. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smart. Yes, sir. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her. Yeah, maybe.
Ana, wag siya makasundo.
Okay guys, so the mall show is done and now I'm on my way to my second event for the night. So right now we're gonna head over to Phoenix for their bumper to bumper event and then I'll catch you guys there.
What to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe.
So I am finally home guys. Actually I have to be up by 3 o'clock because I'm gonna get my hair and my makeup done and then I am gonna be going on the foodpanda float. I am so excited. It's my first time to ever join the Sinulog parade as a person on a float and it's so amazing. It's such a wonderful opportunity and I'm so grateful to Foodpanda, but I need to get my beauty rest and I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. So good night guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, Fit Senor. It is finally the big day of the parade and I will be joining the Foodpanda float. And I can't wait to show you guys who I'm going to be spending this entire day with. So see you! Alright guys, so I am finally here at Mango Avenue and check out the float that I'm going to be riding tonight, or today rather. It's so pretty, it's so big, I love it. Check it out guys. so useful, especially for today.
Amazing ha, bantay di.
Drum roll, please. Ta-da!
Wait, ginamit na na.
Puta! I don't know what you call it because the other one was a go girl. For girls, it's easier. Like you can place it sa imuha on your thing, and then you can pee standing up. Perfect for days like this. You can pee in a bottle. See, it'll fit. It just goes like this. Then you can pee.
That's so good.
Right?
Wala, interested si Zoe.
Right. Zoe, don't try it. I've never used it. Watch out. Issaplease Bayhana merch 2020.
Mubalik, Misa Flow.
Guys, we made it out alive and we are walking back to our hotel, to where I live, and I can finally take a hot, nice bath. And I'm currently with Martin and I'm with Ava. Hi! Hey! Let's go home. Alright guys, so that was the end of my Sinulog. I hope that you guys had as much fun as I did. Okay, ko grabe, and I can't wait until next year. But until then, I am going to get some well-deserved rest. Grabe, kapoy kay ko guys. But in the meantime, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog and don't forget to follow the Bayhana community group. Also, follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease, and of course, don't forget to follow ByTV as well. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Bye!